But I mean, I'm taking the damn pump with me in the
Construction
bag,
crew.
So,
Oh, you are?
yeah. To make sure. I just gotta find some way to get a bucket full to wash off my hands and stuff. I was gonna kick the other pump on and see if I can get water out of
Well,
everything, but we need a hose.
If you're bringing it with you in a bag,
Yeah.
just put it in a clear plastic
I know it's a
bag.
half horsepower. That's what I didn't know if it was half or 3/4. So, yeah.
I'll get you some water out of that cooler. That was
Oh,
cool
just
water.
give me out of the pool. I don't. It's only this. I got Ajax over there.
Sorry.
We'll head over to, we'll go home. And then they can text us when they need us. We could go to Walmart, but I would like to wash up first.